this is Lisa Candella-Hulbert with Berkshire Hathaway Fox & Roach Realtors. I'm standing here today at my new listing in Robbinsville, 295 Gordon Road. This house is actually located on a little bit more than 2 acres of land. It's been fully renovated and expanded. It's an amazing and beautiful home. It's ready for its new owners. Why don't you come inside with me and take a look. Welcome to the interior of 295 Gordon Road in Robbinsville. This home features 5 bedrooms and 4.5 baths. There is a first floor master suite, and there's also a second floor master suite that has a sitting area and 2 full walk-in closets. The open expanded floor plan floods the house with natural light, and the open spaces here on the second floor will allow for a game area, office, den, anything of your choice. The location here in Robbinsville is central to really everything that you would need. So let's continue your tour through 295 Gordon Road.